Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to do a sneeze spray. You take it, go like that, and you can use any spray bottle you would like. I'm using this one, this cologne kind, this cologne bottle, and so it ran out, and I filled it up with water, and so you want to do this very carefully, because when you walk up to a person, you're going to have it ready, and they're like a fake sneezing noise, and then spray at the same time like this, like that. And if you spray it right, and you could probably get them in the neck, and you could probably get them good, and they're going to be like, they're going to freak out and be like, ooh, and something like that. And so look at this. That was like a full thing right there. Like, this is another. You're gonna take it and do the same thing like that, and be like, ooh, I'm telling on you. You be like, oh, I'm sorry, I'm sneezing too much now.
Mom wants you. My mom wants you, Gael. Gael, your mom wants you.
Be quiet.
Mom wants you.
I'm sorry about that. My dumb stepsister. But look, this is how you do it. You can take it. Like, if there's a lot of people in the line, you can take it and just spray it in the line. Take it and go like, take it, and go like, take it and go like, here, and take it and go like. Like that. And yeah, that's how you do the sneeze water bottle plant. Take it. Sorry about that. I have sneezing problems. It's because I'm sick. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Gael.
I'm sorry about that. And take it and go. Bye.